Today I'm going to give you a tour of the room that we stay in. That's my bed.
Turn this movie on. Like this movie, that movie.
Right now I'm putting on a movie for Amy. She watches whatever she wants. There's Amy. Say hi, Amy.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Tell the rebels hi. That's her bed. That's our TV. Don't mind the mess in the closet. This is baby Goldie's bed. Our book's set up on the fireplace. Yeah, we got incense burning. This is baby Rowie's. She's popping pop too. That's just outside. Here we got a picture of baby Amy. We don't have any of the other ones yet. So, it's basically the tour. We did go to... Sorry about that. We did go to Dollar General. Got a few things, you know, stuff like that. Past couple of days we've been to Apple Castle and stuff. Today's just a vlog on what we've been doing throughout the week since we forgot to take y'all with us. Yeah, we went to Apple Castle. They had a thing out there. And then we went to the dollar store. It's raining, so we're not really doing much of anything. We're just staying inside. As you can see, it's raining. It's raining, so we're just staying inside, keeping warm. So, yeah. Sorry about that. My head was... I did get a haircut from the last time. It's been a while. Yeah. You want to say hi? Go ahead, Rosie. Say hi. Say hello. Someone's supposed to be taking a nap, but you know how that's working out. They're putting in a new floor, bringing in the refrigerator and stuff like that. So we're just hanging out. If there's anything y'all would like to see or, you know, anything like that, just leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please turn on the notification bell. Please like this video. We're trying to get this to, let's say, let's see if we can get it to 500 views or likes, whichever one comes first. Thank you. And please become a member of the Rebel Club. Thank you.